Welcome to SSV tutorials. So yesterday we discussing in the trigonometry topic. So what is trigonometry? What are the main ratios? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. And how the formulas are happened for that particular 6 ratios we discussed. So today it's a very important topic, that is lot of people or lot of students are make some trouble identifying the angles 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees of the trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosecant theta and secant theta. So for identifying these values, some of them are by heart that, but today I want to tell a simple way for identifying the values of the trigonometric ratios. How means today we discussing about the 3 values: 30 degree angle, 45 angle and 60 degrees angle. How we identifying easily the trigonometric ratios of these angles, today we discussed. So there is a previous knowledge in triangles. First you have to go to that particular part. So when in a right angle triangle, it is a right triangle. You know, for example, A, B and C, this is called hypotenuse. So A, B, C are the vertex of this triangle, and in a right angle triangle, if the angles are 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, if the angles are 30, 60, 90 degrees, then the corresponding sides are in the ratio 1:√3:2. Very important. Remember this thing. When the angles of a triangle, of a right triangle, are 30, 60, 90 degrees respectively, then the corresponding sides are in the ratio 1:√3:2. Means, for example, this is 30 degrees, this is 60 degrees and it is right angle, this is 90 degrees. Then the corresponding sides means opposite to the 30 degrees is 1, opposite to 60 degrees is √3 and opposite to 90 degrees is 2. By this way, for example, you want to find the values for 30 degrees. How many ratios? 6 ratios. First, sin 30. What is the formula of sine? You know, what is that? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So, opposite side to the 30 opposite side is 1 by hypotenuse is 2. So, sin 30 is equal to 1/2. Second one, cos 30 degrees. What is the formula of cos? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So, what is the adjacent side to the 30 degrees angle is √3 and hypotenuse is 2. So, cos 30 is equal to √3/2. Next, third one, tan 30. What is the formula of tan? Opposite side by adjacent side. So, for 30 opposite side is 1. Adjacent side is √3. So, tan 30 is equal to 1/√3. And cot 30. What is the formula of cot? Adjacent side by opposite side. So, adjacent side for the 30 degrees is √3 by opposite side is 1. So, √3/1 is equal to √3. And cosecant theta means cosecant 30 degrees. What is the formula of cosecant 30? Hypotenuse by opposite side. What is the hypotenuse here? 2. And what is the opposite side here? 1. So 2 by 1 is equal to 2. So cosecant 30 degrees is equal to 2. And sixth one, secant 30 degrees. Here secant 30. What is the formula of secant? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. What is the hypotenuse here? 2. What is the adjacent side here? Root 3. So secant 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. So these are the angle trigonometric ratios for the angle 30 degrees. Now we have to look at for 60 degrees. So now the angles are 60 degrees. So sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. So sine 60 degrees. You know the formula, opposite side by hypotenuse. For the 60 degrees angle, which is the opposite side to 60? For we assume the angle is 60 degrees, then the opposite side to 60 is opposite side, root 3. Hypotenuse is 2. So sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. And cos 60, adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side to 60 is 1 by hypotenuse is 2. So cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. And tan 60 degrees. What is the opposite side to tan 60? 60 opposite, root 3. What is the adjacent side? 1 is equal to root 3 by 1 is equal to root 3. So tan 60 is equal to root 3. And cot 60. Cot 60, what is the formula of cot? Adjacent side by opposite side. So adjacent side to 60 degrees is 1. By opposite side is root 3. So cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. And cosecant 60 degrees. Cosecant 60, hypotenuse by opposite side. For 60 degrees hypotenuse is 2. And opposite side is root 3. So cosecant 60 is equal to 2 by root 3. And secant 60. What is the formula? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Here for 60, what is the hypotenuse? 2. And what is the adjacent side? 1 is equal to 2. So secant 60 is equal to 2. So by using this principle, we identifying the two angles 30 degrees and 60 degrees very easily. You don't want to by heart any kind of value. Just remember this thing. In a right angle triangle, the angles are 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Then the corresponding sides are in the ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2. By this way, you identify all these 30 degrees values and 60 degrees values very easily. Next we go to the topic. Identifying the value for 45 degrees. So, in a right triangle, only right triangle, in a right triangle, the angles are in the ratio, or the angles are like 45 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees. In a right triangle, the angles are, in a right triangle, the angles are 45 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees. Then the corresponding sides are in the ratio 1 is to root 2. Very important. The angles are 45, 45, 90 degrees. Then the corresponding sides in the ratio 1 is to root 2. For example, A, B, C are the vertex of the triangle, and this is 45 degrees, and this is 45 degrees, and this is right angle 90 degrees. Now we are identifying the values for 45 degrees. What are the values? First, sine 45 degrees. You know the sine formula, opposite side by hypotenuse. For example, you take any angle, this 45 or this 45, no problem. So corresponding sides 45, 45, 90, sides are in the ratio 1:2. So 45, 1, 45, 1, 90, root 2. So here sine 45 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side to 45 is 1 and hypotenuse is root 2. So sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Second one, cos 45, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side, what for this angle? 1 by hypotenuse, root 2. And tan 45, formula is opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side means 1 by adjacent side is also 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. And the fourth one is cot 45, adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is 1, opposite side is 1. 1 by 1 equal to 1. So cot 45 is equal to 1. So next one, cosecant 45 degrees. What is the formula for cosecant? Hypotenuse by opposite side. What is the hypotenuse here? Root 2 for this 45. And opposite side is 1. So root 2 by 1 is equal to root 2. And the last one is secant 45 degrees. So formula is hypotenuse by adjacent side. What is the hypotenuse? Root 2 and the adjacent side is 1. So this is also root 2. So by this way, we identifying the values for the 45 degrees. Very easy. You don't want to by heart. So this is the way for identifying the values, trigonometric ratios of this angle 45 degrees. The only point is, in a right angle triangle, if the angles are like 45 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, then the corresponding sides are in the ratio 1:1 is to root 2. If you know this formula, simple, very simple, then draw a picture, all these values you get very easily. Don't want to by heart that, just keep the concept in your brain. It will be very easy to remember that in our examinations also. Thank you. In the next class, I will explain how to find the value for 0 degrees and 90 degrees. We will discuss in the next class. Thank you for watching our video, and if you like the video, please subscribe our channel, and we will update lot of content relating to the mathematics and physics and all. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video.